All right, so our math studies question on sequences. We've got this silly lady drops her purse. It falls a distance of 4 meters for the first second, then 12 meters the second, 20 meters the next second, and it continues in this way. Write down the common difference for the arithmetic sequence. So the common difference is 8, okay, because we're adding 8 each time. So common difference D is equal to 8. Okay, write down the distance that it falls in the fourth second. So add on 8 and we get 28. So U4 is equal to 28. I'm just realizing you can't see a thing, can you? All right. Calculate the distance the purse falls during the 13th second. What did we do for this one? Right, you use the formula. So we need to work out what the formula actually is first. So how do you do that?
I know that the formula is for un is equal to un.
No, it's supposed to be S of n, isn't it? No, that's for the C. Oh.
We just want the distance it falls during the 13th second.
Un
So un equals u1 plus n minus 1d. Okay, so un is equal to u1 is n minus 1 times 8. So un equals 8n minus 4. Right. So u13 is equal to 8 times 13. Subtract 4, which is
104 minus 4, which is 100.
8 times, is that correct? 100, yes? Did we all get 100? Right, for C, calculate the total distance it falls in the 13th second. So we need to use our formula. So which formula did anybody use?
Sn
Go on, Samara.
equals n over 2
Yep.
bracket u1.
Uh-uh.
No, not u1. I have, okay, well, I went
2u1. Or so you do first term plus last term?
Yeah.
Right, okay, that sounds good. Are we okay over there? Right, so Samara used first term plus the last term. Okay, which makes sense. So U13 is equal to 13 terms over 2. First term is 4. The 13th term is 100. And Samara, what did you get when you worked that out?
Oh, wait, no, I didn't do that one. I did the 2. Never mind. That's how I worked it out first.
If you do it that way, you get 667.
Yeah, that's. No. You get 677.
I'll work it
I
out.
meant, I wrote it.
Yeah,
104.
677.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Right. Ori and Lily, you good with this?
Yeah.
Did you get these answers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Marco, you alright over there? Now again, you can use the other formula if you want, you will still get the correct answer. You did the other formula? So let's just quickly have a look at it. S13, 13 over 2. Formula is 2 times U1, which is 4, plus n minus, sorry, n is 13. So 13 minus 1 times 8. So we should get the same thing. Yep, okay. Okay. All right. So we're now on D. Calculate the time. So it's dropped from a height of 1,250 meters. What are we having to do in this instance? We have to work out the number of seconds. We're told that it's dropped from a height of 1,250. What is it that we have to work out this time?
The n.
Okay, yeah, we have to work out n, the number of seconds. So we are using the formula again, which is Sn. N is what we're trying to figure out.
Isn't that for the total?
No,
It is, so it's the total that it drops. Yep. So it's, yes, Marco?
You start off by substituting 1,250 for SN.
Yep. So I'll put that over on the other side, that's good. So we've got 2 times 4 plus n minus 1 times 8. And as Marco said, that equals the total height, the total distance that it falls is that. So we're having to solve for n in this case. What am I going to do to this to tidy this up? Ari?
You can multiply 2, 4.
Yep. Multiply those together. And
Expand the brackets.
yep, I'm going to expand the brackets. So 8n minus 8. Okay, what do I do next to tidy it up?
the 8's cancel.
The 8's cancel, right? And what else can I do then?
Divide the total. Multiply the 2 in the denominator.
Right, multiply both sides by 2. So I end up with n times 8n on this side. On this side I end up with
2,500.
2,500. Okay, now what?
Multiply n.
Right, so I have 8n squared is equal to 2,500. Next, divide by 8 on both sides, and I end up with
N squared equals 312.5.
312.5. And then to find out n, we have to square root your answer.
But I just forgot to square it.
Okay. So you square root your answer and you get alright?
18.
Well, 17.67,
17.67.
okay.
Why do you square root? Oh,
Because it's
since
n squared.
I just left it like that.
N times n squared. And then because we want the nearest second, so n is equal to 18 seconds. What's up, Jen? Okay, so Georgia visits a national park in Muel. It opened at the start of 2017. Muel. So let's, what color will we use? Purple. So this is E. So at the start of 2017, it opens, and in the first year there is 20,000 visitors. Every year it increases by 8%. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Okay, so how do we work out if it increases by 8%? What are we having to do? You know, how do you increase something by 8%? Right, multiply by 1.08. Why is it 1.08?
Because it's itself. Like it's 8% of itself. So
Yeah, you have to include itself as well, okay? So you could actually do 0.08
plus.
multiplied by 20,000. Okay, this will give you the increase. But to work out the total amount, you need to then take this amount and add it on to the 20,000. Okay, so that's what we're doing when we're doing the times the 1. That's what the 1 is, okay? So 20,000 times 1.08.
Oh, $1.
21600. Okay. Okay, and that's part E. You got part E. Good. Then the last part, calculate the total number of people expected to visit the park by the end of 2025. So, the total number of people, so that is, we're looking at the sum, okay? And we're going to need to go shortly. If it's by the end of 2025, what n value am I looking at? If 2017 is 1, 2018 is 2, 2019 is 3, what is 2025 going to be? 8 or 9.
8.
What do I subtract off 2017 to get 1? 2017, take away what gives me 1? 16, okay? If I do 2018, take away 2016, I get a value of 2, okay? So I'm going to have to do 2025, take away 2016, that gives me a value of 9. So n is 9, okay? Alright, so just quickly to do this, we want the sum of the first 9 terms. This is what type of sequence? Geometric, good. So the geometric sequence is U1, which is 20,000, multiplied by R, which is, good, to the power of what, Jaden? Good, subtract 1, divided by, come on, pen, divided by 1 point, no, it's not the time, pen, come on. .08, subtract 1, okay? So it's just using our formula. We put all of that in. To our calculator. 20,000 multiplied by bracket 1.08 to the power of 9. Subtract 1. Hit enter. Divided by 0.08. Oh, and it's done it actually twice, but the correct answer is, alright, did you get that? 249751?
I got that.
No, I don't. What, F?
Yeah,
No.
249751.
I thought 376 below.
Okay, you use 20,000, 1.08.
Oh,
Did you use your brackets?
no.
Wait, what happened?
No, I use the formula.
I got,
That
yeah,
is
I
the
got
formula.